Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are going to be making pap with this corn. For this pap we are using white corn, but you can also use yellow corn. So for this pap or akamu or ogi, whichever one you call it, we're going to start making it by first of all washing and soaking it. I'll soak the corn for about 2 or 3 days before we get to the next step. So keep watching. So here I have finished washing it. I'll now soak it in this water, cover it and allow it till the next day, and I'll keep changing the water until when I will grind it. Soaking it allows it to soften and also to ferment a bit to give it that tangy and unique taste which akamu is known for. So this is the next day. I will change the water, wash it and fill it with another water and still cover it, and I'll keep doing this until when I'm ready to grind it, and which is going to be on the third day. So I'll do it the second day and then the third day again before grinding it. I've finished washing this, so the next thing now is to blend it. Yep, let's blend it. That's what I'm supposed to do. Don't tell me what to do. I'm done blending the whole corn. So the next thing is to separate it from the chaff. If you followed the video I did on agidi, how to make jollof agidi, it's almost the same process of making agidi. After grinding the corn, you wash it to separate the starch. So that's what we're going to do now, to wash it to separate the starch from the chaff. Yeah, starch from the chaff. Yes. So I'm done washing the corn, that's separating the starch from the chaff. And this is what I got. I used too much water. I used a lot of water. So I used 2 containers. But if you have a bigger bowl or container, use that. I do that also. If I'm not making video, I wash it with a bigger paint bucket. This is the chaff I got from it. So the next thing I'll do now is to cover the paint, the containers, and allow it to settle for about 5-6 hours. So this is after 6 hours later. You can see that the pap has settled at the bottom of this container. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to pour away the water, that is, separate the water now from this pap, and then scoop out the pap and put into our pap bag. I have a pap bag, any bag that will not allow the pap to go off the bag. Does that make sense? Hi. So this is where I will pour the pap and then allow it to rest in this bag. I'll look for something heavy and keep on top of it, and it will gradually release the whole water it has in it. And I will leave it like this for till the next day. This is evening, and I will allow it like this till morning. I'm using my pasta cutter. This is what I can lay my hand on now. So you can see the water is already dropping. I'll leave it like that till tomorrow morning. Yeah, and this is our pap, our ogi, our akamu. This is what we got from about 4 cups of corn. And this is the yellow corn I also made. Thank you. I hope I made sense in this video. If I did, please give me a thumbs up. Click on that like button and also subscribe if you have not. Share the video to those who may need this. Thank you all. I remain Henrietta Onyemere of Treasure Kitchen. See you all in our next video. Until then, remain blessed. Love you all. Bye-bye.